You are in an unrestricted area. Please leave.
Santa Fe High School is exploring high-tech security options with a new robot. On Tuesday, they began test running the robot around campus. Team First Technologies, an Albuquerque-based company. The robot is fully autonomous and has 7 cameras. It's built to withstand a variety of weather changes, can go up a 30-degree incline, and can avoid obstacles that get in its way. It's also smart enough to learn a variety of routes on campus. The hope is that it'll deter trespassers and help monitor areas that are harder for people to watch, as well as reducing the need to put security staff in risky situations.
It'll take the school's safety plan and we can download it to it. So if people are not supposed to be around in a certain area, we can play a recorded message saying, closed campus, please come back during school hours.
It can also travel for 20 hours and only needs 4